Hey my loves, you can tell by the title. It's gonna be a little chit chat today and update on my store. So I wanted to show you guys some new products that I got real quick, you guys. Um, just real quick. So I got some sticker decals. They're custom made, you guys. I had these before, but I never really like showed them off. But I want you guys to see what they actually look like. I had to like weed them, and for those who know what that means, basically I have to take all the paper around it, so you can see some of these are crooked because I have to put them back on there, but that's not how they actually are. But this is what they look like. I got some new colors, and I will add some more colors hopefully by tomorrow, because today is Thursday. I have this design right here. It got cut off, so I have to make it. I don't think you guys can really see it, but kind of sucks. Okay, you guys can see the lights hitting it. This was a custom. Oh, sorry, too close. This was a custom design by Funky Freak Curls. You should check her out too. She's on Etsy. She has a she sells glitter and stuff, you guys. So please be sure to check her out. She sells some lovely glitter. But yeah, she wanted me to do this design, so I put this together. And I'm gonna put this on the site hopefully next week. But what's actually on here is these right here. These are super cute. These are clouds. This color is opal white. I don't know why it's called, because it has like a hint of white to it, but yeah, it's very pretty. Really pretty opal color. And this right here, I was not going to weed this out, you guys. I tried, but it was a struggle. I think you can see this snail right here. These are leopard print. Yeah, leopard print. So I have two designs of leopard print, you guys. I have this one, and I have this one. These are colors. This is gold. This is matte gold, and this is chrome red. This is matte black. But you can see the difference. I did have these on some nails, but I can't find them at the moment. I do apologize. Let me take one of these off for you so you guys could actually see. I'll put it on my nail. How about that? Yeah, I should have used tweezers. Don't do what I did, you guys. Use tweezers. Okay, so here's one. But this one kind of look like a somebody's hair. Don't it? It's a little bit. I think so. Okay, so but yeah, I could like do that, and then let me see. I don't have no tweezers next to me at the moment, so my long messed up fingernails are gonna have to do. If I could get it down. It's like stuck to me. Oh yeah, it's not happening because I have it the other way. Yeah, my nails are too long. I can't do it, you guys. Sorry about that, but yeah. Yeah, they're shaped differently. So they're both leopard prints, two different designs you could choose from. And this right here, this is a zebra print, you guys. These are so cute. I'm gonna do a design with these, you guys, so you guys can see them. These are super cute. These are 2, 4, 6 rows, so you have plenty of stuff to use for nails. I have small nails, small nail bed, so yeah, you can make them. You can make the zebra go down, or you can make it sideways, whatever you want. But it's enough. There's small pieces that you could put on your small finger, like your pinky finger, or you could just cut them. Do what you would do, girl. And these right here, my favorite. I'm an alien head girl. This alien girl, period. So I got these heads right here. These are super cute. As you can see, they're like, they fit your finger. They're not too big, not too small. I was thinking about getting a bigger size, making them like kind of long for like people with long nails. Let me know what you think. I have that. And I want to talk about this gift box I have. I have a little bit left. There's limited supply. It's like a gift box, you guys, for Christmas. It has some Christmas items, and I was going to throw in some regular stuff too. So I'm gonna show you guys everything you get. So right here, these are so cute. This is only in the box, you guys. I don't know, I might sell them because Christmas is almost over, but I don't know. But yeah, these are in the gift box. Super cute. These are for like small nails, but they could be for bigger nails. But these are smaller and these are bigger. These small, big, as you can see. Let me see, I'm trying to do it out, having it, the light on your face. It's kind of hard, you guys. I might have to put up a picture because I took pictures of these so you guys can actually see what they look like. I think that's what I'm going to do. And these two right here. This one got gingerbread man, Christmas tree, candy canes. This one got the Christmas stars. I got the stars on there. I got the angels, Christmas lights, and what's that word? Snowflakes. This has snowflakes too. It has angels and candy cane and a Christmas tree with a star on top. And then these are already in my store, but I'm going to include them as well. These 4 stickers, they're all snowflakes. As you can see, I'm a snowflake fiend. Got it bad. And I made some cuticle oil, guys. I will make some more, but I want them to be in bottles, and this was just for the gift box. So whatever I do have left over, I have some oil left over in some of these, so I might just sell them. But this is blueberry peppermint. I decided to try something. Yeah, it's like 3 milliliters in here or something like that, but you get that. And I am throwing in a whole bag of these, you guys. So these are the ones from AliExpress. That's supposed to be like the gel X ones, you know, but these are the double X long, extra long. This is stiletto, so you either get stiletto or coffin shape. But for those of you who don't know, I'm going to take it out so you guys actually see. You see they're pretty long. It's full coverage. They're nice and sturdy. I have a video of you doing something on them. There's some, like, I call them chocolate nails or whatever. But let me see. You also get all of the Christmas ones I got on my website. And I would throw in that plaid one that I just put out. And let me see. You also will get some gold flakes. I don't have them with me at the moment, but you will also get those. Hold on, let me show you. This is one take, you guys. This kind of stuff, but you won't get this size. You're not that size, but you'll get some of that. And then I'll put up on the screen my glitter I have, the Christmas glitter that will be included. All the Christmas foils is included too, so it's like everything that I have on my site that's Christmas. And then with the added this and the foil and the decals I made and the cuticle oil and I'll throw in a card for you guys, Christmas card. You get a couple of these keychains. Okay, I'm trying to figure this out because I'm also giving away these cute acrylics. I forgot the let me see, because there's 8 of them, but you guys will get 3 each inside. Let me see. So yeah, I'll put that video up too so you guys can see what it actually looked like, because it'll be taking me too long to like go through this and actually show what it actually looked like. But I have a video. If you are on my Instagram, you would have seen it. If not, please be sure to go check it out. Let me just make sure that I did not forget anything. Okay, you guys, I think that's about it. Yeah, that's all the stuff I'm gonna include. I might add something else in there as a surprise or something like that. But yeah, you guys, so next year I have a lot of stuff coming to my store. I can't wait for you guys to try it. I will have some monomer coming out. It's low odor, so it won't be as strong. It has a little smell to it, but not as strong. And I do want to get some clear acrylic out there, you know, and some glitter acrylics. I just love me some glitter, you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one, and I will talk to you later. Oh, also forgot, I picked some ambassadors. I'm still gonna pick a couple more. Still going through my list of people. I got more than I expected. I was not expecting that much. I was like, oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm going through that right now. So yeah, be sure to check those ladies out when that time do come, and I will see you guys later. Bye. I just remembered I have one more thing, you guys. This is not a part of the gift box set. So that gift box set, that could be for beginners, intermediate, experienced, just for anybody who, like, you know, love nails or whatever. There's plenty of stuff that will last you for the rest of this Christmas, next Christmas, and, you know, more to come, whatever you guys decide to do. Or they decide they want to do their nails or do somebody else's nails. But this beautiful, ooh, don't mind my hand right there, my skin, but look at this, you guys. Look how beautiful this is. So this goes on your nail. I love this. This is extra. Look at that. And then you attach it to here, or you can attach it to this one. I think stuff like this is super sexy. It's like you're a bad one, and then you just have it hanging out, and it goes pretty far. I forgot how far it goes. Should I measure it, you guys? Yeah, let's measure it right now. Let's put it on this real quick, because I do not remember if it told me how long it was or not. Okay, so let's measure this, you guys, and I'm gonna put it on the website because I forgot to do that. So in centimeters, it is about, it is about 11.5 centimeters, and in inches, it is 4.5. So let me count with just the my bad, with just the thing itself. So this part right here, from here to here, that is almost 4 inches. And I don't think my hands go out that far. And if they do, like, damn. I think almost 4 inches. I wish you guys could see my crazy hands, but yeah, they're almost 4 inches. So that's pretty cute. I'm selling this in a 6-pack, you guys, and I think I'm selling it for like $4. I think so. I try to make it like I didn't want to make it like too much, you guys. I want it to be like reasonable. I will leave my website below, you guys, and also on Etsy. So I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.